Welcome, my name is Steve with CloudArc, and in this video I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to create a new account in Salesforce. This is especially helpful for sales teams who are adding new companies, clients, prospects, or partners into the CRM for tracking and engagement. When you're done learning how to customize and add accounts, we've got another video coming up that will show you how to increase your overall Salesforce efficiency while reducing your license costs. We introduce a rebate program that allows you to use some of your dollars from your Salesforce licenses to invest in training and consulting. So please be sure to check that out after this, and let's dive in. First, from anywhere in Salesforce, click on the app launcher. That's the grid icon in the top left corner of your screen. And in the search box, type accounts and click on the accounts tab when it appears in the list. Now here's a quick tip. If you don't see the tab, you may need to switch to the sales app or another app that includes the account object. But once you're on the accounts page, click the new button at the top right of the list view. This opens the new account form where you'll enter the customer details. Now let's fill in the form. So start by entering the required field, which is the account name. This is the company or the client name. Then add any of these optional but helpful fields, such as the phone, website, what type of contact or account it is, like a prospect, a customer, the industry, billing, shipping address, account owner, etc. These fields are usually auto-filled with your name, but you can change it if needed. Now once you've filled in the details, double check your information. Click Save at the bottom of the form, and your new account record is now created. After saving, you'll then be taken to the accounts record page. Here you can add contacts, opportunities, cases, notes or files, tasks and events, etc., all from these related tabs. This helps your team track everything about the account in one place. And if your company uses campaigns or territory management, you can associate the account by using the related lists or the custom buttons on that record. And that's it. You've just created a new account record in Salesforce. And keeping accurate account records helps your team build strong relationships and makes reporting much, much more powerful. Now we've just scratched the surface today, and on the screen and in the description I've included links to our Salesforce user training playlist. I've also included a 5-minute video that will walk you through 3 strategies to increase results in Salesforce while reducing Salesforce costs, including details about the Salesforce rebate program that I mentioned that allows you to use some of your license dollars to invest in training and consulting. So please check out that video, How to Maximize Salesforce, and spend just a few more minutes of your precious time with us. We promise to help you take Salesforce to a whole nother level in your company. Finally, please remember or don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. See you soon.